Pay close attention to this video because I have very important news that will impact your dropshipping operation. Especially if you are considering starting a new store now or start dropshipping, you will have to act now. Let me explain it better. If you listen to me, you're gonna avoid unnecessary expenses. We know that Shopify has a special offer that gives us 3 months of Shopify for $1. I mean, 3 months of Shopify for $1 each. So first month $1, second month $1, third month $1. And by the way, you can still get this offer by creating your Shopify account with the link that I put in the description and in the comments. And the news that I have is exactly about it. This special offer is gonna be gone. They will end this offer. And that's why I tell you that you need to act now. You need to create your store now. After the end of this month, January of 2024, they are gonna change the offer. It's not gonna be 3 months for $1 anymore. It's gonna be 1 month for $1. And that's why I'm making this video, to tell you that it's gonna be over so you can create your store now. We all know the Shopify plan is $19. We know it's not that much, but for someone that is just starting, it can make difference. And of course, it's better have 3 months paying $1 than pay $1 for 1 month and the next month you already need to pay $19. So to avoid expenses, what I recommend to you is create your store now. If you're gonna start in the next month, doesn't matter, create it now. At least you're gonna guarantee that you're gonna have 3 months for $1. As I said before, 3 months for $1 each. First month $1, second month $1, third month $1. And by the way, $19 is just the basic plan. Shopify has other plans, but in my opinion, the basic plan is good enough for us. So I recommend to you using the basic plan. You don't need to get the other plans that are more expensive. Also, to help you out, after you creating your Shopify store with my link, send me an email or text me on Instagram, because if you create your account on Shopify with my link, I'm gonna be giving to you 25 professional themes. They're actually paid themes, but I'm gonna be giving to you for free. So you don't need to use those free Shopify themes that we have by standard, because they are actually very bad. So I'm gonna be giving to you 25 professional themes, so you can already start with a good theme. So all you need to do is create your Shopify store with the link that I put in the description or in the comments, or email or text me on Instagram. Then I'm gonna be sending to you those themes. And actually this video was just to tell you about this, that this offer is gonna be over, so don't miss out. And by the way, soon I'm gonna be recording an updated version of the Shopify video. It's gonna be a completely new and completely updated tutorial of how to build your Shopify store. I'm gonna be recording it soon and I will post in this channel. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. I see you soon. Bye.